Always believe in yourself and have faith in how far you can go. Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Jupiter combustion. Firstly, I would like to tell you more about Jupiter. In Vedic astrology, Jupiter is a planet of plenty. It is an auspicious planet. It makes people rich, commanding, wise, spiritual, educated, cultured, liberal, and generous. The planet Jupiter is also known as Dev Guru Brihaspati. It is the symbol of devotion, worship, and prayer. Body parts influenced by Jupiter are liver, gallbladder, pancreas, gland, or digestion, ears, feet, physical development, and throat. It represents fields related to law and knowledge, such as advocate, professors, priests, judges, ministers, and bankers. Now, let me tell you about what combustion is. Combustion of a planet is an event which is said to be caused when such a planet comes within certain degrees of closeness to the sun. The planet that comes closer to the sun, they lose some of its strength and becomes weak. Jupiter combusts when it comes within 15 degrees on either side of the sun. Jupiter will combust in Capricorn on 17th of January 2021 till 13th of February 2021. Now let's talk about the effect of Jupiter combustion on the natives of Aries. You should connect with people of different field if you want to expand your business. Career oriented people should continue doing hard work to get the desired goal. Due to some good business deals, you will earn very good profit. Make sure you spend your saving accordingly. You may get some viral infections. Continue doing yoga and meditation to avoid feeling sick. Your family members and partner will be really happy with your efforts. Students are advised to remain careful and work hard for their goal. Let's move on to Taurus. Your wise planning in business will give you the opportunity to expand it. If you are planning to invest, then invest in the cloth industry, leather industry, cosmetics, tours and travel, and real estate. Your family will support you, due to which you will move ahead in life. You might be stressed due to lots of office work or practice meditation. You may face some stomach or eyes related problem, so keep a check on your diet. Communication between you and your partner will increase, because of which all issues will be resolved. You will succeed in education with hard work and dedication. Let's move on to Gemini. You will be financially strong and you can also try experimenting new things in business or at your workplace. You will get new deals that will help you in the growth of your business. You may face some issues with your partner, but discuss it out and resolve them. To avoid heart or blood pressure related problems, avoid eating junk or oily food. Do yoga and meditation to avoid emotional and mental stress. Students are likely to get good result in exams by staying focused on their goal. Let's move on to Cancer. You are expected to get lots of benefits in the field of your work if you are continue working with determination. You will be more active in social work, which will increase your position and reputation in the society. Family members will help you financially and also help you to achieve your goals. You are advised to take a balanced and nutritious diet to avoid any health issues. Students, artists, and players will get more opportunities in upcoming days. Safe driving and traveling is advisable if you plan a small trip with your family or friends. Let's move on to Leo. If you stay focused, you will definitely get good deals in your business. Expenses associated with children will be slightly increased. Invest with good planning. You may face some challenges at your workplace, but your dedication will help you get through out. Good communication will ensure wellness among family members and partner. You can transform your career with your intelligent planning. You may face some difficulties in your love life or marital life if you don't pay attention to little things. Student, artists, and players are advised to work hard with smart work. Let's move on to Virgo. Business persons associated with the stock market and real estate will earn more good profit if they invest on time. You might get support from your colleagues and boss as well. Follow good dietary habits to stay fit and hit. Take advice from senior members of your family on money related issues to avoid overspending. Due to your ignorant behavior, you might face some challenges in your married life or love life also. Be polite to avoid arguments with family members or life partner. It is a good time for a student and as their hard work might pay off. Let's move on to Libra. Keep proper balance between your earnings and expenses so that you do not run out of money. You will be able to establish your identity at the workplace with your hard work and dedication. Due to certain changes in your behavior, your parents and loved ones will be happy with you. You may go on a short distance trip with family or friends. A student with strong willpower will get the desired results. Let's move on to Scorpio. Business persons may be confused about starting something new. Taking advice from a senior member is advised. Your high officials may get impressed by the change in your speaking skills. Your increasing inclination towards religious and spiritual activities will help you in personality development. You may suffer from health issues related to high blood pressure or stomach, so take special care of your health. You can spend some quality time with your family and loved ones. Let's move on to Sagittarius. You may face some problems in your business if you do not cooperate with your employees. You may receive appreciation at the workplace for your good work. Profit in terms of money may enable you to fulfill your old desires. You may enjoy some social gathering and there is an indication of traveling. You may also expect good support from your family members. Undergo routine checkup to avoid any health related issues. Support of friends may solve all issues related to studies. Let's move on to Capricorn. Be very careful while dealing with new business related paperwork. You may face some disturbance in your financial budget due to improper planning. There are chances of gastric and cough related issues. Avoid eating oily and spicy food. Indulge green vegetable in your diet. To avoid misunderstanding in family, keep discussing important issues. Working with dedication and determination is advice for students. Let's move on to Aquarius. If you are thinking of expanding your business, then you are advised to plan properly. Private sector employees may get a chance to travel and explore new opportunities. Unemployed people may find a good job opportunity. You are advised to keep calm to avoid arguments with family members and loved ones. Your words might hurt your partner, so speak wisely. Students may face some obstacles in studies, but their efforts and dedication will help in overcoming. You may get a chance to go for trip with your family, partner or friends. Let's move on to Pisces. Your confidence and self-motivation will help you to perform better at workplace. Business persons and employees will get best opportunities to expand their venture and earn profit. You are advised to eat and drink healthy. Improve your diet and include fruits or dairy products. You may get married to your love interest. You may have differences of opinion with your partner or family members, so handle the situation wisely. Student players and artists are advised to focus on their work for better results. Now I am suggesting some remedies which can give you better results. Feed green grass to horse. Donate fruits to 11 needy girls on Thursday. Keep fast on Thursday also. Drink water in copper bottle. However, this was just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this videos, I wish that this combust Jupiter may be fruitful for all of you. Thanks for watching us. Namaskar. Best of luck. Take care.